For those who have a genuine interest in the wonders of astronomy and stargazing, knowing that the Milky Way, our home galaxy, is in a constant state of movement can feel nothing short of jaw-dropping. Furthermore, not only is the galaxy rotating, but our Sun, solar system, and all the other celestial bodies that constitute the Milky Way are also on the move, rotating about their axes and orbiting the center of the galaxy. Yet, despite this fact, the stars we observe in the night sky seem weirdly static and unmoving. What's the reason behind this seeming contradiction? A simple observation of the night sky often reveals stars that appear to maintain their relative positions. The real situation, however, is much more complex. Each star in the Milky Way, including our own Sun, is actually in constant motion. What's even more interesting is that the understanding of the movement of stars and galaxies outside our own has contributed to theories around the existence of dark matter. Yet while all this motion is taking place, on a cosmic scale, it's happening relatively slowly. For instance, although our galaxy is currently heading for a collision with the Andromeda galaxy, the event is not set to occur for another 4 billion years or so. This hints at the snail's pace at which our galaxy is actually moving through space. We're talking about velocities that are a few kilometers per second, speeds that are impressive on human timescales, but nearly irrelevant given the unimaginable magnitude of large cosmic distances. Despite the high velocities of celestial bodies, the vast distances separating them become a significant factor. Even the speedy rays of sunlight, traveling at an impressive 670,616,629 miles per hour, take a bit over 8 minutes to arrive on Earth, about 5 hours to get to Pluto, and over 400 years to reach the North Star. Stars themselves are moving at speeds that could be a few tens of kilometers per second, a rapid clip from an earthly point of view, but not so much when you consider galactic dimensions and distances. Even the stars closest to us are set incredibly far away, a distance measurable in light years. As a result, from our perspective on Earth, their displacement over about 60 to 70 years, or a human's average lifespan, appears minuscule compared to their actual distance from us. As an example, a nearby star situated about 10 light-years away, moving at a clip of 10 kilometers per second, would cover nearly 30 billion kilometers in 100 years. That may seem like a lot, but remember that the star is approximately 90,000 billion kilometers away from us, making the distance it covered almost unnoticeable. In conclusion, the immense distances of these stars from us make their movements undetectable, reinforcing their seeming immobility in our sky, even though they, together with the galaxy, are whizzing through the cosmos at significant speeds. That's why, despite an ever-moving universe, stars continue to twinkle steadfastly from their fixed spots in our nocturnal view. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Your feedback not only supports us, but also helps our channel reach more viewers and continue to grow.